Talking flashcards. Verbs, red set. Are you ready? Here we go. Run. Run. Walk. Walk. Jump. Jump. Fly. Fly. Dance. Dance. Swim. Swim. Ski. Ski. Hug. Hug. Rollerblade. Rollerblade. Play the piano. Play the piano. Play the guitar. Play the guitar. Play baseball. Play baseball. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Play golf. Play golf. Sing a song. Sing a song. Speak English. Speak English. Drive a car. Drive a car. Ride a unicycle. Ride a unicycle. Climb a tree. Climb a tree. Catch a ball. Catch a ball. Fly a kite. Fly a kite. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Read a book. Read a book. Take a bath. Take a bath. Watch TV. Watch TV. Take a picture. Take a picture. Jump rope. Jump rope. Eat pizza. Eat pizza. Drink milk. Drink milk. Take medicine. Take medicine. You can get these flashcards and many, many more at www.mapleleaflearning.com. Please be sure to come by and check out our site, okay? Anyways, happy teaching!